How to create photorealistic people components in SketchUp using Photoshop and Illustrator. To begin with, open your texture in Photoshop. Use the lasso or polygon lasso to create a rough selection of the subject you want to keep. Cut out the selection and paste it again, and then delete the background layer. Now we have a rough outline to chip away at. I am using the polygon lasso tool to select the background. If your image has a background that is uniform, like a plain blue sky or a solid color wall, you could just select color range from the menu bar. When you've got everything cut out, you can smooth out all the rough edges by control-clicking on the layer in the layer window, then select Modify Smooth to smooth the edges on the selection itself. Then press Ctrl-I to inverse the selection and delete it. Now our image is ready. Save it as a .png file, which brings us to our next step. We are going to be exporting the path around the people we just cut out, so we don't have to do it again in SketchUp. Control-click the active layer again, and click on the Paths tab in the same window. Click on the Make Work Path selection icon in the bottom of the window. Then we'll go to File, Export, Paths to Illustrator. Next, open the newly created file in Illustrator. Select All. Go to File, Export, and export the vector as a DWG file. Now open SketchUp. We need to import the Illustrator file we just created. Next, import the PNG file from earlier. Scale the PNG image so that it fits closely in the DWG outline. Select both the line work and the image file, and explode them. They should now be a part of the same plane. I like to draw lines to extend the boundary of the plane just in case the lines are intersecting in kind of a weird way. Erase all the boundary lines you won't use. Next, draw a 6-foot long line to scale the people to the right size. Or at least close to what they would be in real life. Then rotate the people so they're standing upright. Finally, it's time to make them a component. Remember to select Always Face Camera and to select Component Axes. For the final touch, hide the line work around all the edges of your people. And you are done! Thanks for watching. Get a link to this model in the description and many more at immediateentourage.com.